The office space. Is this the house that had all the closets? The coat closet. So is this the basement? No, it was just another coat closet. So this is just a half bath. What do you think? Look at this backsplash. Really nice looking pantry. Definitely have to have a pantry. And you have the illuminated lighting over the cabinets and sitting area right here. And you have a view from the back of the house to the front of the house. All right, since you guys are upstairs, I'm gonna come around the other way. Let me see you, Avery. Hi. I'm gonna come meet you around the other way. What is this room right here? Oh, that's the basement. So we got a mudroom here. This is a pretty nice layout. There you are. So it basically is just a step from the living room or sitting room to the mudroom. So when you basically, oops. I don't know if I showed this little coat closet. So yeah, so you leave the garage here. How many cars can fit in here? Yeah, look at how long this garage is. Literally, I can keep going back. So you can enter the garage through the back of the house or the front of the house. And let's go back in and go upstairs. So this is the whole first floor. Look, they even have a little calendar here for you to keep your schedule. Also, this does have a purpose. I thought it just went from one end of the house to the other. It goes actually all the way upstairs. Have you been up here yet? No? Sitting area. Here's a view just to show you the width of the first floor. So I think over there is the laundry room, one bedroom. Actually, no, take that back. Bedroom, probably master. Second bedroom, laundry room, sitting room, third bedroom, and again more closet space. So here's the bedroom we're going to start off in. Got a walk-in closet. And we're going to go out. So these are the steps where we started. Sitting area, bedroom we just left. We're going to go to the upstairs bathroom. Wash, brush, floss, and flush. Nice cabinets. So, this is good. Everything's separated. And if we go out, this is bedroom number 2, so there's 4 bedrooms. Closet's not as big, but the bedroom's a decent size. We're going to go out into the laundry room. I'll go in this corner. So you can see the laundry room has a closet. Nice wooden flooring. Nice natural light for the laundry hookup. And I wanted to show this closet here on the outside of the laundry room in the hall. Just a big empty closet. All right, finally going down this long hall. So the staircase is like in the middle of upstairs, Avery.
That's the master.
So it's kind of tucked away so you get a lot of space downstairs, a lot of space upstairs. So the master's here?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so let me go in the corner. The bathroom?
The closet.
Oh wow, yeah.
It's a closet right here.
I see there's a wall dividing for his and hers. Okay, let's see what's going on.
It's a closet right
Okay, it's the same type of towel that was in the other bathroom. Oh wow, so you got your little toilet area, everything separated. Linen closet,
Shower, bathroom.
shower, glass door. You got your little
And the attic right
city seat down there. You said there's an attic up there?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. Let me look at this towel. Get a closer look at it.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Okay, I see. Oh, you got this towel. It looks like, gives you the illusion of wood.
You know, you can just touch right here. See?
Oh, okay. You got a little light up there, a little window.
Yeah.
Can you close that back for me?
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
So you got a little bench in there. Yeah, it's a little seat for you.
Yeah.
Also, this is a pretty decent closet. If this was my side, this was what it would look like, huh? And this would be your dad's side.
Oh wow, it's even bigger.
Okay, let's close the door and see if we can get our panoramic view.
There's a light switch right here.
End of one side, beginning of the other side. Okay. And both sides have lights, huh?
Yeah,
So
but just one.
it's
light
just one switch. Okay, yeah. One switch turned them both off, so I'm not sure. I guess you do need them on both sides because of the wall.
Yeah.
And look at the cabinetry. I need to pay attention to the cabinetry. I
I
like
like
the
these.
handles. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna put in the old house. Were these lights on already? Or did? Oh, yeah, the pot lights or can lights. Okay. I'm sure your dad's down there waiting. I didn't go in this one. So one more bedroom. So we went in two.
That's the desk.
So this would be an extra bedroom.
Well, I think that's the guest.
This is bedroom number 4. This is a decent sized room. It's bigger than the one on the other side of the master, probably because that's the master. Well, yeah. And this one has the walk-in closet. Not that bad. And here's another view of the hallway. And you can look straight out and see Avery. And you get ready to go downstairs so we can exit. Only thing is, I don't really care for... Actually, I do care for this because even though the stairway is in the middle of the house, you still have that opening. It's kind of an open concept. It's not really gonna give you a lot of tall ceilings, but you want to do a good thumbnail, Avery?
Sure.
Where you want to do your thumbnail? Do it right here in front of the island because it's so pretty the way it's set up. Stand right here in the middle of these 2 stools and hold your hand out down like this. I want them to see the backsplash, but oh, that is so cute. Like you're presenting.